All right, welcome back, everybody. It's time now for the All Recipes Cooking Challenge.
Yes, we are making a yummy fall treat that would be perfect for your Halloween party. It's pumpkin dip.
It's supposed to be an excellent appetizer for the holidays.
Yeah, one of the users says serve it up with ginger snaps. We're going to use Nilla wafers,
Yeah,
but that's the great thing about All Recipes. Oh, look, they put theirs in a pumpkin.
Oh, how clever is that?
That's really cute.
Well, we should do that.
And the brown ginger snap. I get that. Looks so pretty. And leaves. So you could do it like that. We're just going to make the dip today. But at allrecipes.com, I mean, that's the place you want to go because then you can see all the user reviews and it's fun.
In a medium bowl, blend cream cheese and confectioner's sugar until smooth.
Okay, so that's the first step. So why don't you put the cream cheese in and I'll measure out. We need 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. 2 cups.
2 cups. Now, this is not as soft as it probably should be. So I'm going to beat it a little bit. Beat it. Oh, geez.
Can you be careful? All right. You're going to have to be careful with the confectioner's sugar.
This is not going to be good.
Okay, I'm stepping away.
All right, until smooth.
You're going to get your second cup there. Okay, good. Now we're getting serious. The music is coming.
The music is coming.
Okay. Oh, that's good. You're getting it in there. Is it getting a little bit softer?
Yeah.
Ideally, you probably want to leave your cream cheese on the counter for a little bit to soften it. Oh, that's good. Good, good, good. Okay, I'm ready to. I need to add another cup.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, hang on. 'Cause the beaters are sucking up all the...
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, geez, Louise. All right.
Jamie, what's the tip? If you wanted to come off the beater, don't you go in reverse or something?
Slow it down.
She says she doesn't trust us to do that, but you pull them out a little bit while they're still on. Careful, though. Okay, so we're starting with that. You want to gradually mix in the pumpkin. I'm going to get ready for that, but we're not doing it yet. Let's do a little bit more mixing.
This is kind of coming up together here.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's working. It looks creamy now. I think we can add a little pumpkin.
All right,
Okay, careful. Oh, no.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
How much pumpkin?
Gradually add it in. So I'm gonna,
How much pumpkin? All of it?
Full can. Yeah.
Full can. All right.
We got the Libby's 100%.
Did you put the whole can in?
No, because you add it gradually.
Oh, okay.
Put it in first. Yeah. There we go. And once you get that in there, I'll add some more for you. Gradually mix in the pumpkin. Then we're going to stir in cinnamon, pumpkin spice, and a little bit of orange juice.
All right, more from the pumpkin. You gotta. Oh, we need this. I love a good spatula. The voices in my head are talking to me.
Because then we would get it out of the can, you know, like one of those
Oh,
ones.
I
You
love
like to
that.
scrape every last bit.
Every last bit. That's another mom
for the
hack.
bowl too? Okay. Let me put the last little bit in there. You don't want any waste. You could find out where pumpkin and cream cheese is on sale, and there's one of your recipes for shopping for the grocery hacks. You're doing really well. That looks good. Maybe go around the edges now. Okay, let me go find a spatula. Oh, yeah.
All right.
There we go. Yeah, got one. This is perfect.
All right.
Here, we're gonna do a little
stir in
scrape.
cinnamon.
But wait, let's do a little scrapage first.
Okay. Oh, look at you.
you like that?
Oh, can you core a apple? I can core a apple.
Okay, go back at it
Okay.
there. I know how you feel about leaving Christmas ornaments out of their box.
I know.
You don't want to leave any cream cheese unblended. It's not fair to their family.
Not fair to their families. The personalization of the cream cheese is taking place.
Don't leave any specks of cream cheese by itself.
All right.
If you look in the camera, I just saw there's a whole bunch.
Stir in the cinnamon, pumpkin pie
I'll get
spice.
that ready. I'll start measuring that. You keep blending.
Okay, it's blended. What about the
I'm stuck in
What about the orange juice?
It's coming.
1
First,
teaspoon.
we're going to do an order. Gradually mix in the pumpkin, stir in the cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, and orange juice. All right, so let me measure that first. First, for cinnamon,
Pumpkin pie spice.
for
1
cinnamon, we need a
tablespoon ground
tablespoon.
cinnamon.
Yeah, 1 tablespoon.
And then I'm going to get, what does this say? Orange juice, 1 teaspoon. All right.
Wait, a teaspoon. We have a teaspoon. Why don't we just measure it? That is much more than a teaspoon.
That's
Okay.
good.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
That looks good.
All right. Well, you can always season more to taste.
Okay.
There's your cinnamon. Okay, and now a tablespoon of the pumpkin pie spice. We have that. And a teaspoon of frozen orange juice concentrate. So then you should use the rest of that, and you'll have fresh orange juice to serve too.
Oh, this looks good. Go ahead,
Okay.
put that in there.
Yeah. All right. So that's it. And then you're going to chill it until you serve it. But I'm going to get these ready.
I have no idea how much time is left in the show because my IFB just...
All right, so
Stop
this
working.
was one of the most helpful comments according to the All Recipes user. And she says, I have a problem with the cream cheese being lumpy every time I make this. So I finally solved my problem. I microwaved the cream cheese just to barely warm. I cut the sugar back to 1 cup, and I didn't add the OJ. It was very good and not too sugary.
Let me tell you something. I had no problems with my cream cheese.
All right.
Look how beautiful this
Well,
is.
Melissa says, here's another tip. Hollow out a small pumpkin and use it to serve the dip in. That's what we showed in the picture. It'll be a bigger hit. Kids and big kids will love it. That was the picture that I loved. All right, so here we go. We don't have a hollowed out pumpkin, but we could, and we're gonna make ours with vanilla, but I think the ginger snaps would be prettier.
Right here. You got it? Go ahead, dip.
I'm not a huge dipper, so I liked it less, just a little bit. It's
amazing.
good. Really
Totally
good.
amazing.
There you go. Trick or treat, bowl of fun. You get to go to betterct.com. You get to watch again as we make it. And the whole recipe is on allrecipes.com.
Thank you for watching this edition of Better Connecticut. We'll see you again tomorrow for another live show.